How you doing? I'm doing fine. Now, let's go play outside. Okay. Oh, look, I forgot. Oh, we don't need the card. Okay. Hey, brother, what did we do today? Let's go play outside. Okay. It's too hot out there. Okay. Let's play out here inside. Okay. All right. Whoa! Whoa! This is called Romeo Miller Wrap Snacks Barbecue Honey. Wow! Where does this come from? Oh, I remember. I was playing my toys, and this one falls on the sky. Hold on, let me set all my toys right here. Hold on, let me set all of them right here. Let me smell it for a minute. Ooh, it's a little bit spicy. I'm trying different ones. Kids, are you ready? Let me look at my tongue. Ooh! I taste it and it tastes good. Ah! It's a little honey and sugar. I hate honey, and I don't want honey and chips. Too honeyish, and it tastes like chili and honey on it. All right. Oh no. Oh, too honeyish.
Do you recommend it for your followers?
No.
Why?
Because it's too honeyish. Ugh.
Show them the bag.
This is a bag. Oh no! I'm gonna pay for it to send. I need to send over back. I need my little card, please. Oh please! Oh please! Oh please, helicopter! Please, please put this back. Please, I want you to come back. I don't like it. This is how I taste like honey. Oh yes, the helicopter's here. And pay for my card. All right, they're gonna pay for my card in a minute. Oh yes, my card is been loaded. Thank you. Bye. Well, it was glad to see that chips. I should get back to my toys in a minute. Well, if you like this video, give a thumbs up, smash the like button, and I will see you next video. Bye. I'm gonna play with my toys. Hey, dude. Yeah, let's have a Halloween party. And I will... What? And I will dance. And then you like dancing. Alright. Alright, kids. Today we're doing the dance. Oh, kids. You hear the time? Ding, 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 ding. Well, I gotta go sleep now. Bye. And see you in October Halloween. Bye.